Good morning guys! For today, I'm going to show you a short video on how you can clear the watch and search history using your mobile phone. If you want to know how, please continue on watching. First, I'm going to show you the difference between a watched video and an unwatched video. Earlier, I already watched the short video. Let's go to YouTube. Search box, short video. As you can see on the first video has a red line underneath, while the rest of the video doesn't have any red line. The red line indicates that you already watched this 19-second video, while the rest of the video you haven't watched anything yet. Let us now clear the search and watch history. You go to YouTube, click the library, click history, click the three dots on the upper right corner, click history control, click watch history, click search history. Then let's go back, refresh it. As you can see, your watch history is gone. Let's check the video that we clear from the history. Go to YouTube. Let's search for short video. On this page, you can see that there is no red line underneath, meaning we haven't watched any of this video. Let us now watch one of the video, short one. Beautiful nature, wonderful, amazing, wow, relaxing, greenery, wow. After watching the video, let's go back to search history, short video. Now you can see one of this video has a red line underneath, meaning we already watched this short video. You might be asking, what is the purpose of clearing the history? The purpose of clearing the history is to increase your watch hours. Because if you ask your family and friends to watch all your videos repeatedly and they haven't done this procedure, the hours they watch will not be counted. So meaning it will be useless. You will not gain any watch hours. I hope you learned something on this video. If you have any question, please let me know on the comment section below. Please like, share, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to see more updates. Thank you for watching. See you!